baby, and you can... Yep. Oh, look it. See, there's the little baby chick. It just needed a little more time to go. Oh, God.